Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. I flip diabetic test strips and run a diabetic test strip business. I have a course, Medical Exchange Income Academy. You can catch me on Instagram. I throw a lot of results and my results, my student results on there. But yeah, this video is about what you can do with the money you make in the medical exchange with the flipping diabetic test strip business. So right now, I'm going to talk to an ATM location. Some of the investments that I've gotten into with the money I made in the flipping diabetic test strip business is I bought some ATMs and put them in stores, locally in my city. The other day I got a call from one of the store owners, that said we had to move it because it was where it was located at was there was an issue with the building inspection and stuff like that, so we had to get it out ASAP. I couldn't call my tech because it was too last minute, so I had to go down there and unbolt it from the ground, which was like, it was crazy because it was a learning experience. I didn't know what to do, so I had to call around, watch some YouTube videos, and I finally got the right wrench. Then I had to go to back to the store 4 times because I didn't have certain things that needed to go along with the socket wrench. But finally I figured it out, and I moved it out the store. But the ATM, man, that ATM is like super heavy. But I had to go get a van. You know what I mean? Got the van, put the ATM in the van, and I had to leave it in the van overnight, which was crazy. Because obviously I had nowhere to put it at the moment, and my appointment with the other location was today, which is the next day, because this was yesterday. So I'm going to go talk to this other location. I spoke to them in the beginning when I started looking for locations for ATMs. I spoke to them in the beginning. I don't know, just we lost contact. Plus he had an ATM still in there, but it wasn't even working. The company before didn't maintenance it or nothing. They haven't been in contact with the guy. So I went with other locations and I just dealt with them. But now, I called him, said, hey, I got an ATM right now. You know what I mean? So he said, come down, bring some documents. You know what I mean? And we're gonna figure this out. So yeah, I'm banking on him, signing this contract so I could just, get that ATM in there instead of have it sitting around in my office. So, and they're a cash only business, so they're gonna do decent numbers over there. So you guys can do a lot of stuff with your money in this business. You can invest in other businesses, or just investments that make money for you while you sleep. You know what I mean? Obviously stock, crypto, stuff like that. Other businesses, cleaning business, pallet business, Airbnb, Toro, obviously, you know what I mean? State surplus funds, maybe Amazon stores, stuff like that. YouTube, cash cow YouTube channels, things like that. So yeah, so I'm going, it's early in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning, man. I'm on the road, bunch of traffic. I'm trying to get to this guy, get this over with, then see if he'll let me place it in the store today. It won't get programmed probably until a day or two, because I gotta call the ATM company and then change all of that information over, you know what I mean? Take the other company off, and then, have them put the information for the new store and in the back end of their system, and then, then we'll be able to program it. I'll call my tech, pay my tech like $100, come down and, bolt the thing back to the ground and program it and all that. And then after that, I'll be going back and forth, refilling it. I'll do that part. But yeah, so, up early in the morning, man, getting after it. You guys should be going hard as well. You guys find yourself a business, man, and go hard with it every day. Go hard. The best athletes in the world, the best businessmen, they go hard every day. That's the secret. Also, go with your intuition. The intuition is telling you to do a certain thing in your business, then you need to do it. Just get up and do it. Don't second guess what your intuition is telling you. Just get up and do it. And you guys got a lot of great ideas. As human beings, we're prone to build and grow. That's just what we do by default. Regardless if you're lazy or whatever, you're gonna always grow, whether you're growing in something that's negative or you're growing in something that's positive. So you guys get intuitions, you guys gotta go with it. You know what I mean? So yeah, we're working, man. You know, we're going hard in the business. Going 2022, we're trying to take it to 20,000, you know, $30,000 a month. You know, so I got a lot of great ideas that we're implementing right now every day. You know what I mean? So we're going hard. You know, so this was just a little video just letting you guys know what I got going on as far as investments with the money I made in the business. Got this ATM, just trying to handle this ATM stuff. I don't even want to be outside, man. You know what I mean? Now that my business is pretty, my diabetic business is pretty much automated, so I don't even leave the house. You know, I got people doing everything, so I don't even leave the house. So me being out right now is kind of annoying, but it is what it is. You gotta do what you gotta do, right? All right, guys. So you know, like and subscribe. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Comment below. I'll answer the comments. Book a call with me. You want to talk about business and you know stuff like that. You know what I mean? I'm always interested in other businesses as well. You know. So hit me up, guys. All right, thanks for watching.